Welcome to That'sCoolWire.com. In this video, we are so excited to introduce to you our new EL wire mounts. What's really exciting about it is we actually make them here right now. We invested some money in some 3D printers, so we have a few of those. And so we can actually print anything. We can print mounts for you, we can print brackets. If you have an idea for anything at all, like you want to mount something in the corner of your room, doesn't even have to deal with EL wire. We can now go ahead and we'll show you a little bit of that later on. But for these mounts, we designed two of them. One is with the holes that you can sew it on, and then the ones without the holes, you can actually just glue those on in the back. And in all honesty, you can glue the ones with the holes on as well. And so real quick, what we recommend if you're going to use the mounts, it makes it really easy. If you have some chalk or something, I'm just going to draw something out right here, very simple. Let's just say we come around, we do this, and we do that. We just want that on our sleeve. So in my mind, we're going to need a mount to at least hold the EL wire right there. I probably would put one right here and right here, coming around that curve. Same thing on this side, one here and one here, and then let's put another one right there. So if we were to grab these mounts and you decided to sew it on, you can see which way the path of the wire is going to go, so you just have to match that groove heading up that way. What we really recommend, and it makes it so much easier even if you're sewing it, is to put a dab of glue in the middle here. Sometimes if you get the glue where the hole is and you put it on the shirt, it's hard to get the needle through, so just put a little dot there, and then before you put it on, just kind of know your spot, wipe the powder off, and then you're going to put your mount on in the direction of the wire. So for example, I'll just pick a different size mount because we make them for all the wires. I would put that one like that. I'll grab another one on, and I know the wire's going like that. And you just work your way around. So to sew this on, it's really, really simple. We're not going to actually sew it on, but I'll kind of give you the concept. So we have a needle and some thread. You'd go in between the shirt right here, and if you had your spot already, you would just put the needle, so you kind of know exactly where your mount was, because maybe you put a mark on the shirt itself. And so what you're going to do is go right through that hole. You're going to come up, and then what you're going to do is go right back down through the other hole. And so once you go back down, you're just going to grab it and you're going to tie a knot from the back side. So that makes it very, very easy. We already did it though on this video to save some time. So I think a couple of these are sewn on. We have some very, very thin clear thread, so you really can't even see it. So we didn't really design anything here special, but we're just going to pop this 2.6 wire in, and I'm going to come around here. Let's pop that in. Let's go up, up, and some of these you have to really push down on because they really snap in. And let's go here and make this one like this, and then we'll come down here and do that. Okay, this just kind of shows you that this is it'll hold the EL wire down now. If you need some adjustments in here, you can add some more mounts, or you can just kind of bend the wire. This is the 2.6, it's kind of bendable, so if it's popping up a little bit, you can just kind of bend on it and it'll push back down again. But it's that simple. We can now go ahead and do that. If you want to, and you don't want the wire to pop out at all, you can actually put the sewing mounts on, and let's just kind of focus in on this one. You can put a thread across from this first hole, go through the shirt and come up, and you can actually tie a knot and put some clear thread across the EL wire on both of them. This way there's no way that that wire is going to pop out. So that's another advantage of these mounts as well. So these are the mounts. They come in all the sizes that we can do right now, which is the 5.0, 2.6, and 2.2. Let's go ahead and look at the machine right now. It's actually printing some of the mounts. Well, we're
Welcome
just
to
take some
That's
different
Cool
angles
Wire.
really quickly. So you can see
Here's
the
our
machine working.
latest
These are the
product
2.6
that we
mounts.
brought in. It's our 3D printer. We can print pretty much
And now
any
we're just going to
size
show you some of
parts.
the other parts.
And here's just a little action of this one printing out some of our
The
easy
great
mounts.
thing is, That's Cool Wire is no longer just an
See
EL
if we
wire
can
company.
zoom in here a little bit.
We now are fully able to design. We have the software to design your part. Everything here has been designed and made by us and printed by us.
Yeah, it's really cool. We
So
can make
these are just some of
parts
the
that are like
ideas from
12
threads
inches down
to
like the
larger
size
parts.
of
So everything
smaller
doesn't have to
than
be
a dime.
small. So if there's something that you need
So-
printed, you have an idea, you have a concept,
Anyway, keep us
you
in
want to
mind
get a
for
patent
any
on
parts that
something,
you may
and you want to
need.
actually
You're
see it
designing
before you go
something,
ahead
or
and
you have an
patent it,
idea, or you
just
need a
give us a
custom
call.
mount for a bike
The number
or a
here is
tent.
toll-free,
Or really any piece for anything, a cell phone holder or
866-435-9473.
something
That's
that you just have an idea for that you think might take off.
866-435-9473.
At
And
least we
thanks
can
for
print out
watching
the
this video at
prototype for you.
that'scoolwire.com.